Suzhou XOFO Motor Company Limited was founded in 2009, composed by group experienced production, R&D, management colleagues who are professional in the LEV motor field. It's an integrated high-tech enterprise with the ability to design, R&D, manufacturing and sell.
作为一家创新型中小企业，质量研发是我们生存的第一要素，发挥工匠精神，把产品做精做专。
Our main competitive product, BLDC motor, has been assembled in a wide range of applications including e-bike, e-motorcycle, e-scooters, e-wheelchair, e-lawnmowers, etc. We are indicated to explore overseas markets. An XOFO motor has been sold to France, Germany, Spain, Italy, Netherlands, the US, and so on. We have participated in the Eurobike Interbike exhibition every year, and in March 2017, we have set up the Europe distribution and after-sales center in France.
XOFO brand is a famous brand in Europe. We have been in this market for 8 years. We are focused on innovation, customer orientation, and quality.
We have the most advanced state-of-the-art and testing facilities, the excellent production line, and the laser cutting equipment. XOFO motor has gained the certification ROHS, CE, EMC to facilitate overseas sales, and with a zero-tolerance compliance to ISO 2001 quality management.
我们需要对每台电机生产前进行严格的质量检测，包括电机外观、噪音、性能、负载检测等。
We have the production capacity of annual 600,000 set motors, with stable motor performance, which has been enjoying nice reputation. XOFO motor understands green environment concept very well. Green technology, green living as our vision to provide customers friendly environment motors and green fun riding.